Welcome to online learning program of MSBT Learning at Your Doorstep. I am Sangeeta Boyer, lecturer at PS Polytechnic, Chembur, Mumbai. Today we are going to discuss assembly language programming to perform data transfer, arithmetic and logical operations from Unit 2, Instruction Set and Programming. So, today's learning outcome is to write assembly language program to perform data transfer, arithmetic and logical operations. Under this, we will study how assembly language program has been written for various data transfer, arithmetic and logical operations. Concept map shows that we have to read the problem statement, then we have to give input data. This input data is processed as per instructions and output is displayed. Assembly language programming. The assembly language is a low-level programming language used to write program code in terms of mnemonics. The assembly language is developed by mnemonics, therefore users cannot understand it easily to modify the program. Assembly programming language is developed by various compilers and the Kyle Macrovision is best suitable for microcontroller programming development. The assembly language is made up of elements which all are used to write the program in sequential manner. Let us start with a small program to move data from accumulator to memory location 30H using immediate and indirect addressing mode. Starting memory address initialization can be done by using org000H. Move A, #23H. Immediate data 23H will be copied to accumulator. Move R1, #30H. Value 30H will be copied to register R1, which will be acting as a memory pointer. Move @R1, A. Content of accumulator, that is 23H, will copy to the address, that is 30H, pointed by register R1. End. This end statement will end the program. Next program is to perform arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Starting memory address initialization is done by using instruction ORG. For addition, load value 0 to H in accumulator. Then add this value with the value 03H by using instruction add A, #03H. After addition, store the result in register R0 by using instruction move R0, A. After addition, clear accumulator and clear carry flag. For subtraction, store value 05H in accumulator. Subtract value 02H from the content of accumulator by using instruction SUBB A, #02H. After subtraction, store the result in register R1 by using instruction move R1, A. After subtraction, clear accumulator. For multiplication, store first operand, that is 03H in accumulator by using instruction move A, #03H and value 04H in B register by using instruction move B, #04H. Mul AB instruction is used to multiply content of accumulator with register B. After multiplication, store the result, lower byte of result in register R2 by using instruction move R2, A and higher byte of result in register R3 by using move R3, B. Then clear accumulator. For division, first store first operand in accumulator by using instruction move A, #95H. Move B, #10H, copy second operand in register B. Then div AB, this will divide the content of accumulator by the content of register B. After division, the quotient will be stored in R4 by using instruction move R4, A, and the remainder will store in register R5 by using instruction MOV R5, B. Then this is the end of the program. Next program is to add two 8-bit numbers 40H and 30H and store the result in 35H internal memory location. ORG0000H to initialize starting memory address. Move A, #40H. This will copy the immediate data in accumulator. Move R0, 30H. This will copy the immediate data 30H into register R0. Addition of 40H and 30H is done by using instruction add A, R0. This will add content of R0 with the content of accumulator. After addition, the result will be stored in memory location 35H by using instruction move 35H, accumulator A. End. Next program is to subtract two 8-bit numbers stored in memory location 40H and 41H and store result in 42H. ORG000H to initialize starting memory address. First, we have to clear carry flag for subtraction, so CLR-C. Move A, 40H. The content of memory location 40H will copy to the content to accumulator. Then SUBB A, 41H. This will subtract the content of 40H memory location from the content of accumulator. After subtraction, the result will be stored in accumulator and that will be copied to memory location 40H by using instruction move 42H, A. Then end. Next program is to add two 16-bit numbers 1432 and 6587H and store the result in DPTR register. For addition of 16-bit numbers, first we have to add lower byte and then higher byte. ORG0000H to initialize starting memory address. Move A, #32H. This will copy lower byte of first operand in accumulator. Move R0, #87H. This will copy lower byte of second operand in register R0. Add A, R0. This will add lower byte of first operand with the lower byte of second operand stored in register R0. After addition, the result will be stored in accumulator. So, we can transfer that result in DPL by using instruction move DPL, A. Move A, #14. This will copy higher byte of first operand in accumulator. Move R0, #65H. This will copy higher byte of second operand in register R0. ADC A, R0. This will add the content of accumulator with the register R0 with carry flag. Move DPH, A. This will store the result of addition of higher byte into DPH register. Then end. Now, before we proceed further, please attempt MCQs from set 1, which is given you as assessment sheet. Proceeding further, we have program to multiply two 8-bit numbers 23H and 15H. ORG0000 to initialize starting memory address. Move A, #23H. This will copy first number in accumulator. Move B, #15H. This will copy second number in register B. Multiplication of these two numbers can be done by using instruction MULAB. After multiplication, the lower byte of result will be stored in internal memory location by using instruction move 35H, A, and higher byte of the result stored in internal memory location 36H by using instruction move 36H, B. Then end. Next program is to divide two 8-bit numbers and store the result at 40H and 41H. ORG000H. Move A, hash 78H. This will store value 78H in accumulator. Move B, hash 07H. This will load 07 value in B register. Div AB. This instruction will divide the content of accumulator by the content of register B. After division, the result will be stored in 40H memory location by using instruction move 40H, A. Remainder will be stored in memory location 41H by using instruction move 41H, B. Next program is to add two BCD numbers 66H and 95H stored in external memory location. ORG0000H. Move dptr, hash 3000. This will initialize data pointer with external memory. Move x a, @dptr. This will load first number in accumulator from external memory. Move R2, A. This will load first number in register R2. INC dptr. This will increment data pointer. Move x a, @dptr. This will load second number in accumulator from external memory. Add a, R2. Add the content of accumulator with register R2. After addition of BCD numbers, we have to use instruction DAA, that is decimal adjust accumulator after addition, for making invalid BCD to valid BCD. After addition, increment data pointer and then store the result in external memory location by using instruction move x @dptr, A. Then end. Next program is to perform AND, OR and XOR operation on two data. One data is present in internal RAM location 40H and data 2 is present at external memory location 2000H. ORG0000H. Move dptr, hash 2000H. This will load external memory location in dptr. Move x a @dptr. Load the contents of external memory location into accumulator. Move R0, hash 40H. This will initialize memory pointer. ANL A, @R0. Here it will AND the data pointed by the register R0 and the content of accumulator. After AND operation, the result will be stored in accumulator. This result will copy to memory location 50H by using instruction move 50H, A. Move x a, @dptr. Load contents of external memory location into accumulator. ORL A, @R0. This instruction will perform OR operation on data pointed by the register R0 and the content of accumulator, and result will be stored accumulator. This result will copy to memory location 51H by using instruction move 51H, A. Move x a, @dptr. Load the contents of external memory into accumulator. XRL A, @R0. This instruction will perform XOR operation on the data pointed by register R0 and the content of accumulator. After this operation, result will be stored in accumulator that will copy to the memory location 52H by using instruction move 52H, A. End. Now, please take MCQs from set 2 which are given in your assessment sheet.